Now use your phone USB to bring meshtastic. The first step is to get Meshtiny into DFU mode. Long press the pulsator switch. Dial the device power button up. Then release the pulsator switch. Enter DFU mode. Slide down. For enter meshtastic, we want to burn. Scroll down and select Meshtiny. Wait until it finishes downloading. After downloading, select the device to connect to. Click Start after connecting. Waiting to burn. The buzzer sounds indicate that the burning is complete.